Hi all, I'm the Mouse Man here. Welcome to Mickey Snap's Video 21, Disney Maintenance Magic. Walt Disney loved what he called his little park, Disneyland. He hated the squalor, though, that built up around it. Taken just outside the Disneyland gate, this snap demonstrates how abruptly a guest goes from reality to fantasy, and then back again when entering and exiting Disneyland. Walt was fanatical about the environment. It became a baseline Disney tenet. The environment sends a message. Every element in that environment either strengthens or weakens that message, and disjointed messages become visually, orally, and cognitively dissonant. A harmonious presentation, where all the elements in the environment align, is a main source of Disney's magic. We all in real life experience this dissonance. The business tells us how important we are and places us on hold. The restaurant describes excellent food on dirty menus. The medical facility promises safe, invasive testing, but the waiting room is a mess. The leaders and employees in those organizations aren't uncaring. It's more often the case that the organization hasn't made its customer service promise clear, or if it has, is not living up to it. And even when the leaders and employees do know what they promise customers, the daily grind can overwhelm them, and they forget the little things that communicate volumes. It's what Disney calls bad show, and it grows like a weed. A torn blind, for instance, gets noticed one day. 2 days later, it's part of the scenery. Next, dust on the remaining blinds. Then it's dirty windows. Then it's stained furniture. And so it spreads from pristine environment to acceptable squalor in a very short period of time. The solution is to know your theme and aggressively look for and correct elements that undercut it. When you eliminate dissonance, your customers feel resonance, and that resonance leads to enhanced results. Need Disney-inspired methods? Send me an email, give me a call. I'm all ears.